Santi, where are we going?
To Yosemite.
Why are we going to Yosemite?
I don't know. Because it's fun.
Sure. Ready.
So why did it say so much for me?
For me, it says an hour and a half, but an hour and 40 minutes.
It says 41 minutes more.
Put the people.
To sleep?
I'm gonna sleep the whole way.
No, I'm not.
Is it a video?
Because I'm terrified of you guys.
Can you sleep with
Let's go.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
I mean, it's gonna be Karina or something. Alright, so this is the fun car. The other car is the studying car. Boring. Boring. As soon as I got out.
No, but he has a barbecue. It's kind of like cool. I think he's doing a video. Oh my gosh. Model right here. I'm gonna do one right here. No, we're gonna do. Wait, do you want to do that? We're gonna do. Guys, everyone do the Josh pose.
What's that?
Do the Josh
I've never done
pose.
that in my life.
Never done that in your life. We do the Josh pose. The Josh. More smile. More smile. That's not good smile.
Okay, go, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Is it this place?
She said go in.
Yeah, she said go straight. There's two. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I recognize the house. This is like the cabin.
This looks so cute.
Looks kind of fucking scary though.
Oh my god, the stars are so sick.
Oh my god.
The room is a game.
This is it.
Wait, what the fuck?
Wait, let me try the light. It is kind of cute.
I know, man.
Oh shit, ow.
Wait, turn on the lights, bro.
I'm trying to. Yeah, of course I know the song. I love your song.
From Fred again.
No, I don't like the big lights.
Wait, I thought so. What?
Yeah. Ooh.
I want to go upstairs. Does anyone go upstairs?
I don't
Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Ooh.
Be like one day if you know, if you see you have, don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I mean you can see your.
No, because this might be the position lights that are.
No, you can see like left and right. Yes, there's a whole stuff.
Okay, someone fucking called Devian. Oh my god!
Put your lights
Are you
on.
sure it's Devian? Should I stop?
Wait, it is
Devian.
10.
It is Devian. He asked if we had a bazooka or something. What?
Kevin gave his name and then he was like, okay, I'm gonna come back. Can you please like spell your, I'm just gonna double check. Can you please like spell out your name?
He thought that Devian was a
quickly?
terrorist.
And I was like, oh my god, do we not know like it's Kevin a terrorist if we just don't know about it? And it's like, he's like,
Where's Devian?
Tom.
He's having the worst day ever.
So this is a few more minutes before we go to Yosemite.
One, four.
Hide and seek.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. say it's alright. Darling, it's been a long, long, lonely winter. Darling, it feels like years since it's been here.
Yeah. You have to pass the water.
Here comes the sun.
No, it's you're near.
It's
You're near
alright.
already.
Darling, the smiles returning
Nice
to
one.
the faces. Darling, it seems like since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright.
Yeah, we managed.
Yay!
The Prime Minister has like all the power. When he got inside
Water in like 5 seconds. We're here in Yosemite some fucking where. What's this trail called?
Bernal Falls.
That one. It's amazing. We're gonna have so much fun. Okay, let's go.
Yeah!
You guys like mix me like frogs too. You sent me like a good frog.
As long as I keep dancing.
We are going to
Dollar E.
Dollar E, where everything is $1.50, not $1.
And 2 E.
And 2 E's. Yes, I forgot to vlog. What are you guys doing now?
I'm catching up with work.
Loser. What are you guys doing now?
Working.
Eating carrots.
Well, he's eating carrots. I'm working. I'm trying to work, but he's like,
What eating carrots?
he's yapping.
This is very brat.
Boom, clap.
He's trying to think of the fucking.
Alright, but so what
Oh,
we're
we can
moving
just
to.
go home.
But is there
Because for
on
example,
the way home?
you two want to drift?
What do you
Yeah,
have to do?
Sequoia. But we can do Sequoia, but on the way home, it's really plain. Like there's pretty nothing.
Is there like a lake near here?
You search it all.
I don't have my phone.
I can see if you could turn yellow or green.
No, I was just the left.
Go Tabian! Go Ansi! So this is Ski trying to say how to take photos for the goodbye pose. So Maya and Julia, how was the trip for you guys?
It was great. We had a lot of adventures. We got stopped by a police car. We locked the key into the car. We got a ticket.
And I lost my voice.
She
She
lost
her voice.
What else happened? I feel like other stuff happened.
Tevin lost his voice.
Tevin got hacked on Instagram.
Oh yeah. Perfect
Are you
timing.
sure you want to eat this food? Because I feel like you could know your luck. You could die.
So Tavian, how are you? How's the morale?
Morale is high,
Morale is high.
despite all the unfortunate circumstances. Traffic, parking ticket, hacked, lost my job. I didn't even get the job. Rejected from my job. I lost my phone. It was found later, but still, great. It's a good trip.
So I forgot to vlog, but we are home. Santi, what do you think?
It was a good trip. Or tired.
Saryan, what do you think?
I'm exhausted. It was worth it. Oh,
Worth it?
but now we study.
So we have a midterm tomorrow and we haven't studied yet, so good luck to us.
No, you can't say that. You can't put down YouTube. I promise too much.
Oh, sorry. Never mind.
We
We
studied the whole
studied
weekend.
the whole weekend actually, and we're so exhausted from studying. Like, we didn't really even go to the Yosemite National Park. We were just studying the whole time.
It's computer. Everything.
The computer, we were there in like the national park. Hi, Saryan's parents.